The Pune police has arrested Kiran Gosavi, the NCB witness in the superstar drug bust case. Gosavi has been arrested in connection with a 2018 cheating case. He is currently being interrogated by the Pune police. A private investigator, Gosavi, was present during the cruise ship raid earlier this month. Later, the Narcotics Control Bureau or the NCB office with Aryan Khan. His selfie and videos with Aryan Khan at both places indicated that he had full access to Aryan. Another witness, Prabhakar Sale, had claimed that Gosavi had met Shah Rukh Khan's manager Pooja Dadlani and sought 25 crore rupees on behalf of Sameer Wankhede. Gosavi told India Today that Sahil is on payrolls of Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik. Gosavi, after fleeing to Lucknow, revealed that he is facing threat to his life and has seen drugs and narcotic pills on the cruise ship.
The allegations levelled against you by some of the youth of Pune as well as Palghar as well as some from South India and also one from Delhi, that you have cheated them financially, promising them that they would be getting jobs in Malaysia. That never happened.
First of all, sir, whatever the Pune case is there, in which the Pune police has been looking for lookout notice, means they had issued a lookout notice for me. So in that case, already I sent this fellow named Chinmay Deshmukh in 2018. So when he went there in Malaysia, after 8 days, he completed his half of the process of job permit. And at the time of medical, his medical report came as a negative. So I asked him to wait for 2-3 days more. So he directly done the ticket by himself and he ran away from the place and he came back.
Allegations now levelled by Nawab Malik sir about NCB's functioning, about Sameer Wankhede, what would you like to say about it?
Sir, I can't say anything about that because whatever the information Nawab Malik sir have, I don't know. I can't, means no comment on that topic.
Ahead of his arrest, Kiran Gosavi released a video where he alleged that he is innocent and denied any wrongdoing. Let us now listen to allegations on Kiran Gosavi from his bodyguard and how Gosavi responded to it all.
गाड़ी में इतना ही चल रहा था कि 25 का बॉन्ड डल, लास्ट 18 में फाइनल कर, 8 अपने को वानखेड़े को देना है, 10 अपने को बांट लेना है करके.
अच्छा, 25 मतलब क्या? 25 लाख कितना?
25 सीआर,
25 करोड़ रुपया. क्या 25 करोड़ का बॉन्ड डालो? क्या बोला उन्होंने?
हाँ, बॉन्ड डाल, लास्ट 18 तक फाइनल कर, 8 वानखेड़े साहब को देना है, बाकी का हम लोग को रखना है.
वानखेड़े साहब मतलब समीर वानखेड़े. ये किससे बात कर रहे थे?
ये सॅम से बात कर रहा था.
प्रभाकर साहिल आणि त्याचे दोन्ही भाऊ यांचे सीडीआर रिपोर्ट आणि यांचे मोबाईल कन्व्हर्सेशन काढावे, मोबाईल चॅट्स काढाव्या. माझे मोबाईल चॅट्स काढा प्रभाकर सोबत. जर मी कुठे बोललोय की बाबा इतना पैसा लेके आ, उतना पैसा लेके आ, माझा धंदा आहे इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्टचा, त्यामध्ये पूर्वीच्या काही चॅट्स असतील ज्यामध्ये माझ्या पैशांची घेवाणदेवाण असायची ज्या टायमाला हा जायचा, ह्याचे फोन रेकॉर्ड काढा. सगळ्या गोष्टी क्लिअर होतील. हा जे एलिगेशन्स करतो हे प्रत्येकावर, ते सगळे एलिगेशन्स फॉल्स आहेत आणि पैसे ह्या लोकांनीच घेतलेले आहेत. त्यामध्ये सगळ्यात मेन हा आणि याचे दोघं भाऊ.
Pankaj Chapatia is reporting from Mumbai, bringing us up to speed with the very latest. Pankaj, tell our viewers about KP Gosavi, where he stands, where does the interrogation stands, what are the allegations now against KP Gosavi, and the kind of allegations that are being made by Prabhakar Sale as well. And what business did KP Gosavi even have to have that full access that he did with Aryan Khan, take the selfies, make the videos and the pictures go viral?
So, Chaiti, KP Gosavi is an independent witness in the cruise drug bust case. He came to light when his picture with Aryan Khan went viral. At that point of time, many thought that perhaps he was a NCB official, when the officials themselves here clarified that he wasn't any official from the NCB and that he was an independent detective. And later, the videos that surfaced really showed how he had close proximity with Sameer Wankhede inside this very NCB headquarters here. Many questioned how, as a punch witness, he was seen carrying the arrested accused inside the NCB. How did he have free access inside the NCB at the first place? How was he interacting so closely with NCB zonal head Sameer Wankhede? And many questions were raised on his credibility as well, because it came out that there were many cases of cheating that were registered against him, especially the one in Pune in 2018, and he was wanted by the police and he had been evading arrest since then. And now, sensational claims that were made by Prabhakar Sel, who claims that he is the bodyguard of KP Gosavi, and that he has also said surprisingly that KP Gosavi is the one who was brokering a deal with Shah Rukh Khan's side so that Aryan Khan could be released after giving extortion money to around 25 crores. So this is huge. Now his arrest becomes important not just for the Pune police with regards to the many cases of cheating that have been registered against him, but also because of the vigilance committee of the NCB that is in Mumbai and that is probing the extortion and bribery charges against Sameer Wankhede.
Absolutely. So questions are definitely being raised over the role of independent witness KP Gosavi, as my colleague was just mentioning, Pankaj was just mentioning, in the Cordelia cruise ship raid and the subsequent detention of Aryan Khan, the man whose selfie with Shah Rukh Khan's son had gone viral after the 2nd October raids, has now been accused of extortion by another witness in this case. So who is Gosavi? Who is this man KP Gosavi? What is his role even in the entire case? Our next report on that.
From being an NCB witness to bribery accused in the Aryan Khan saga, Kiran Gosavi is in all sorts of trouble. The NCB has now summoned Gosavi to appear before its special inquiry team probing the 25 crore rupees bribery allegations against zonal head Sameer Wankhede. Speaking exclusively to India Today, Gosavi has denied the claims.
Allegations now leveled by Nawab Malik sir about NCB's functioning, about Sameer Wankhede, what would you like to say about it?
Sir, I can't say anything about that because whatever the information Nawab Malik sir have, I don't know. I can't, means no comment on that topic.
So who is Gosavi? Gosavi calls himself a private detective but runs a company, KPG Dream Solutions, which claims to arrange job placements abroad. Gosavi's role in the NCB's raid has become a major talking point, even prompting the Central Drug Probe Agency to clear the air.
इस ऑपरेशन में जो दो पंचनामे जिनका जिक्र आप कर रहे हैं वो अलग अलग स्थान पे बने हैं, तो जो भी हमारे गवाह ने एड्रेस बताया वो उस पे अंकित किया गया है, इसी वजह से वो दो अलग अलग तरीके से और अलग अलग समय पे बने हैं.
Gosavi had signed the Panchnama in the Aryan drug case as a witness. It is this Panchnama that has sparked the controversy and brought Gosavi under the scanner. His bodyguard, Prabhakar Sel, who was also listed as an independent witness by the NCB, has made grave charges against Gosavi and Wankhede.
गाड़ी में इतना ही चल रहा था कि 25 का बॉन्ड डल, लास्ट 18 में फाइनल कर, 8 अपने को वानखेड़े को देना है, 10 अपने को बांट लेना करके.
Gosavi has had a dubious past. There are at least 2 cases in Maharashtra against him for allegedly defrauding people after promising jobs abroad. Gosavi, who earlier said on Monday that he would surrender to UP police, has now returned to Maharashtra. With Gosavi, Sel, Wankhede link under the scanner, what remains to be seen is what impact would it have on NCB's investigation of the cruise drug bust. Bureau Report, India Today.